I am back. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna build France. This is gonna be fun. Next video we're gonna build Spain and Portugal. Okay, this is gonna be simple. Going over here at this bomb that is just these four brick blocks. You're gonna go at these two, one, and then going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Place in 3 or 4 as much as you want, but not all the way. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We can make that going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just getting ready. 1, 2. A weird Tetris shape. So like 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 1. Then you can just put a yellow right here, like making it surrounded. On X, 1, 2. Oh yeah. On this white corner, place. Remember that blue? Now you can fill all that in with that. Continuing. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Above it, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Above that, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or as much as you want, but not all the way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. But on this 1, 2, 3, connecting except this one. Only this one just connected with white and red. That's all red, but 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, making that weird L shape. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On this one, the 3 in the middle, a 2, 1, and then a weird L shape. Again. Okay. And then a L, like small L. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, connecting all of that, and you should have made it. Going back to the small L shape, and going right here on its thing, going all the way down, connecting it to that. Or you could have just done the opposite. Middle, it was white. Here, red, then yeah, blue. And that would be it for this video. See you in the next one.